Hey, what's up everybody? So it's been a little bit since my last video. Kind of taking a break from reselling stuff. A lot of stuff has still been selling on Amazon. I still sold probably like 7,000 for Q4 on Amazon. So not bad, but not bad for doing like nothing. I just didn't send like anything in for 3 months because I've been working. I got a job, so I think for the start of this year, today is January 1st, I'm gonna kind of make a series based on working part-time on Amazon and part-time or full-time at a job, and we'll see how it goes. I think probably this week is going to be my first shipment in of the year. It's like 9 p.m. right now. I just got off work and I have to go in at 6 a.m. So it's kind of crappy schedule, so that's why I haven't really been working that much on reselling, because I'm so tired from the schedule, because my hours just vary so much. So I think in 2019 I'm gonna get more into time management and kind of just work a little bit harder. I've kind of been lazy these past few months since I've started this job. All I do is just sit around when I'm at home because I'm tired, and I think that's going to change this year, hopefully, and we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated, and watch my other videos, because I really want to come out with a series on this and kind of let you know what's been going on with me lately. So I'll see everybody next time.